Guys, so ayan, mag-unbox tayo guys. Meron ako ditong AirPods. Bigay ni Kuya Chad. Ayan, thank you Kuya Chad for this. Yan, may bago na akong AirPods guys. I-unbox natin siya. Let's go. Ayan, makita niyo po, may pangalan pa. Nikki. Yan, nickname ko po kasi is Nikki. So ayan, buksan natin guys. Para magamit na natin. Ganda guys, oh. Open na natin. Ayaw ma-open guys. Wait lang. Ayan guys. Open na natin. AirPods! Isa natin guys. Yan. Bagong-bago pa. Sealed na sealed. Tchaden! Anong guys? Ganda. Isa natin. Music player. Ganda guys, oh. Ganda ng packaging, guys. Balot na balot. Yan. Tingnan lang kayo, parang ayaw mapabukas, guys. Wait lang. Ayan, nabuksan ko na, guys. Ganda ng packaging niya, oh. Girl Lulu! Kulay pink, guys. Tchaden! Ganda. Baliktad pala. Diba, guys? Tchaden! Ayan, thank you sa nagbigay. Thank you, Kuya Chad, for this. God bless you. And ayan, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!